I'm very passionate about travel. It's something that sounds a bit obvious maybe every now and then, but Expedia certainly made me aware of how big and relevant is the travel industry and how interesting it is to be part of it. I decided to come to the Think Global Forum today because I think it's a great opportunity and a great initiative sponsored by Vistatech to combine traveling and multilingual content and localization content, which are the two things that kind of drive my passion and my professional life right now. Technology and automation certainly play an enormous role in the development of localization in the future. From machine translation and machine learning, I'm very curious to see what's going to happen as a next step. We basically hit a very important kind of turn of events in the last few months. I also think that it's very interesting to see how, on one hand, we look at technology, but on the other hand, we make and we focus more and more our content to be local and unique in order to attract the reader and obviously at the end of the day the customer. The travel industry goes more and more into specific niche segments of the market, and it gets very specific the type of traveling and the type of experience that the traveler wants to do. So it becoming global, but on the other hand it's becoming very segmented and very specific. I see more and more niche market in terms of products and in terms of destination. As a challenge is platform and channel. So we're moving from desktop to mobile, and from mobile to the next step. And the content needs to be shaped, the experience needs to be arranged. I think it's challenging, and I don't think we all have an answer for it right away. We need to really seriously think about it. I'm very curious about the vacation rental market, which is brand new for a brand like Expedia, but also for the travel industry. We have big players very well established, but it's still an ongoing and in development market that is fascinating, needs a lot of attention because it's certainly the future, or at least a part of it. And we need to wrap our hands around how we're going to interact with it.